How to subscribe Amazon Prime. So if you want to subscribe Amazon Prime, then you just need to open up your browser. You can't do that from your application. So open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with the search, and you need to search for Amazon Prime, and make sure to log into your Amazon Prime account. So simply go with the www.primevideo.com, and under that, make sure to log into your account. But before logging in, here you will have an option of start your free trial on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on start a free trial, and then you need to enter your email address or the phone number. So I'll be entering the email address, and then tap on continue, and you need to enter your password. And after entering your password, just wait for the page to load, and you need to enter the verification code which you've received on your mail. So simply enter the verification code. Once you enter, simply tap on submit code. But if you've not received the code, you can go with resend code, and you will again receive the code. So once you've logged in successfully, now it will take you to this kind of page. So if you want to subscribe to Amazon Prime, then you just need to simply enter your credit or your debit card. And once you enter your details, you just need to simply tap on add your card. Once you've added your card, it will take you to the next step where you will be able to confirm your details. Once you've confirmed your details, you need to choose a plan. So you can simply choose the Amazon Video monthly plan, or the Prime monthly plan, or the Prime annual plan. So you can simply choose any plan that you're comfortable with. You'll be able to have the 30-day free trial period. You can simply choose a plan. Once you've chosen a plan, you just need to simply go with continue, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and you will be able to subscribe to your Amazon Prime in this way. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.